Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae'S. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a beauty box that I absolutely love so much called Boxycharm. So if you're interested in finding out what Boxycharm is and what I received in my November box and why I love it so much, then keep watching. Okay, first things first, what is Boxycharm? So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription and it is a beauty box. You receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products ranging from makeup to skincare to beauty tools to color cosmetics. What makes this box so special is that the value of the box is always over $100, but you only pay $21 a month. Yes, you heard that right. The box value is over $100, but you only pay $21 a month. And this is high-end makeup normally found in Sephora. It really sounds too good to be true, but it's not. I have actually been subscribed to this box for 5 months. It started in July, and now it's November, and I absolutely love it. Each box just continues to get better and better. So I was super excited to come on today and share with you all what I received in my November box and tell you a little bit about it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the box right here. It says Boxycharm. Looks like this. It says Hello Charmer. When you first open it up, the first thing you see is this little Boxycharm pamphlet right here. And then here are all of the goodies. Okay guys, so first up I have the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. This retails for $44. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact, reflective finish that wows. The multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredible luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Super excited to try out these drops. I always love a good highlight. I don't currently own anything, any type of drops like these that would allow me to highlight my face and my body, so I'm definitely very excited to even try that out. And then number 2, next up we have the Ace Beaute Grandiose palette. This one retails for $24.99. It says, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes, your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. You can never have too many eyeshadow palettes, so those colors look amazing and I cannot wait to try them out. The third thing we have is the Luxe Luminous Eye Set. It says, add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. So those little brushes were made exclusively for Boxycharm. That's so cool. It says the Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. Then it goes on just to list the brushes. Luxie 141, Luxie 121, Mini Taper lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angle Brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products on your lid. And then the Luxie 131 Mini Angle can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color into your crease. I feel like you can never ever have too many brushes, so I am very excited. And I can honestly say in the 5 months that I've had Boxycharm, I think I want to say that this is the 3rd box that I'm receiving some type of brush set. So I have definitely been building my collection and that is just wonderful. And then next up we have the Farah Galaxy Gold Tweezers, and this one retails for $12. It says these dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This unique patent design is made with surgical stainless steel The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezers. Thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. So I've actually never owned a dual-sided tweezer. You know, we just get the traditional one. So I'm super excited to try that out. I just feel like you can never have too many tweezers in your collection. So yeah, that's a good addition to my makeup collection. And then the last one that we have is the Bodyography, I hope I pronounced that right, makeup brush cleaner. And this one also retails for $12. It says, cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. So I clean my brushes and my beauty blender and things like that, but I've never actually used a spray to do it. So I am definitely very excited to add that to my collection and also test that out for you all. I added the box up, and the box value is $113.99. So yeah, like I said, the minimum value of the box is always over $100, but you only pay $21 a month. Crazy, right? You can also cancel the subscription at any time if you don't love it. And I honestly don't know how you wouldn't love it. I absolutely adore Boxycharm. So please let me know, have you ever heard of Boxycharm? Have you ever tried it out? Will you check it out as a result of this video? Leave me a comment down below and let me know.